You are all invited to the 23rd Annual Kurdish Culture and Peace Festival. This year, we are organizing the 23rd Kurdish Culture and Peace Festival, and all our people and friends are warmly invited. Guest, Kurdistan National Congress, KNK, Co-Chair Ahmet Karamuz. Artists who perform at the festival are Sherif Ömeri, Merwan Tan, Rüken Niwa, Hazel, and Osman Mirwais. Kurdish Folklore Dance Goven. Date, Sunday, August 17th. Time, 2 to 11. Location, Earls Court Park and 1200 Lansdowne Avenue, St. Clair Avenue, West and Caledonia Road, Toronto, Ontario. كردين ببن يا ستار مولوتوفا قرقولا بكم في توار جواني مشيارن حتم دكنكار تركام خباندن قلكي نكا غازي ما فنداي قو شاهد بن صفقازي تني بشر ما فتين استندن سرهلدان دم ولو دخوازي